with a Shehakol blessing, and immediately I started eating rice flour cookies. Is a new blessing needed, or Shehakol is enough for covering this?
So if it's very good question. So if cookies were in front of you, one Shehakol is covered, everything. Right. So just to explain this question, since you asked the question, I want to explain to everybody. So on rice as a grain, if you cook it, we say baremene mizoines on rice, right? It's exception. But when they make flour out of rice, so we say shehakol. So this if you make a bread from rice flour, some people can make bread from rice flour. So we say shehakol. It's not bread. We never say Hamotzi on this bread. We never have to wash our hands, even though this bread looks very close. Like it's very white. It's white meaning like what? Like oats bread, right? You can make bread from oats. There is no problem. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions?
But what if because I had in mind that the blessing of these flour cookies would be mesonot, but I didn't know it was Shehakol.
No, it was Shehakol. Okay. Otherwise, the cookie is not covered. The regular cookie from the wheat flour, from rice flour, they're not covered. No, you have to say separate blessing. And the proper would be to say blessing on the cookie, because it's more important. The blessing is the more specific the blessing is, the more important it is, and it has a precedence to say the blessing. Okay.
And after the blessing, how would be Shehakol after blessing, or what?
No. After you ate this rice cookies and drank tea.
Yes, in one case, if there is took aside, and in other case, if for example the flour cookies were not enough quantity, it was maybe only one flour cookie. What would be the after blessing for this?
Okay, so if a person ate kezais of any food, he would need to say blessing. So for this you say barei nefashos. If he drank enough liquid, right? Let's say tea, drank meaning 3 ounces, 3.1, 3.2 ounces, approximately 86.6 grams or 0.5 grams, right? cc. So you like in a few sips, which is simple. So you would say after blessing. So like you have to eat enough cookies or drink enough tea. But you cannot combine. So if you drank like half amount of tea and ate half amount of cookies, they're not combined together. Foods, salads with salads combined together, liquids with liquid combined together, but liquids and salad foods do not combine together for after blessing. Even though the prior blessing cover one another, there is no problem. You can, as we said, this example, you can say the blessing on a tea and cover the rice cookie, right?
So if it was eaten and drank, took aside of tea, and also took aside of flour cookies. No, I mean mesonot cookies. Let keep this aside. Mesonot cookies and tea. If there was the enough amount of this food, would be al amechia and then Shehakol after blessing. The two.
Yes, two blessings. Yes. One that does not cover another. So if you switch the order, it's still you have to say the second blessing.